What does your driving instructor do in bad weather? It snowed last night and was a bit icy this morning. My instructor said I could do the lesson as it was good experience for me, and he would take me to quieter roads, and let me see how the brakes and abs worked in these conditions. I found it really helpful, not at all scary, as I felt safe with my instructor. My friend's instructor cancelled her lesson saying it wasn't safe to do the lesson. It all depends on the severity of the weather, the level of ability of the pupil, and also whether the pupil wanted a lesson in these conditions. I have done exactly the same with my own pupils as your instructor has done, and think it's a great opportunity to practice, in as safe environment as possible. When it last snowed, my instructor took me to a really quiet car park, and got me to accelerate and then brake quite firmly. It was so helpful, and I feel much more confident if it happens when I've passed.